in its legal defense against a lawsuit from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Kraken has filed a reply refuting the agency's allegations of trading unregistered securities, archaeology that the case lacks precision and misinterprets fundamental legal concepts. In its response filing, Kraken identifies discrepancies in the SEC's argument, noting the agency's failure to accurately identify investment contracts traded on the exchange. Additionally, Kraken argues that the SEC's use of terms like investment concept and ecosystem instead of investment contract and enterprise reflects a misunderstanding of the case's legal framework. The SEC initially sued Kraken in November 2023, alleging it unlawfully made millions of dollars from crypto asset securities transactions and provided exchange, broker, dealer, and clearing agency services without having registered with the agency, as required by law. This was months after settling charges over Kraken's former staking service. And however, Kraken filed a motion to dismiss, contending that it establishes a dangerous precedent for the agency's jurisdiction. In response, the SEC filed a 39-page opposition to Kraken's motion to dismiss, saying it is simply not the case that this enforcement action exceeds the authority Congress granted the SEC. In the Thursday, May 9th motion, Kraken contests the SEC's claim that written contracts are required in investment agreements, emphasizing that contracts can be oral, expressed, or implied, as well as Kraken argues that the SEC's efforts to refute unaddressed arguments indicate a misunderstanding of the case's central points. When an urging case would get through a government, when an urged on fire with them who had a confident, more likely, ungenuine, 16, genuine, unwatching, the role of investment contracts. And Kraken's motion hinges on interpreting the SEC's jurisdiction using the Howey test, which defines a security based on specific criteria, such as the investment of capital in a common enterprise with the expectation of profit driven by the efforts of others. The U.S. Congress is currently deliberating on crypto regulation with several ongoing bills. Concurrently, 8 state attorneys general in the U.S. have filed a joint amicus brief contending that the SEC exceeded its delegated authority in the lawsuit against the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken.